So we're at the Zestek website, Zestek.com. You're going to go to the download page, as you see right here. Just click on that, and it'll open up to where the latest software is for the program. Currently, right now, as of December 2024, we're at 4.7. You can download the installation guide and get information about the CAN hub also. But we're sticking with the OEM hub. That's what you have, or that's what most people are going to purchase anyways. So you just go ahead and click download. There, you just have to find out where, or set where you want to have your download location. I already downloaded it, so that's why I hit cancel here in the video. But as you'll see, you'll have a pop-up here. Just double click on that, and it will come up with this screen. If you're not your hub is not connected to the PC already. Once you connect it up, you'll see this next screen. Alright, we were gonna look for Avante N. Because I already had my setup, it's already showing Avante N. But you'll just have to scroll through. You'll see all the different brands that you can program this thing for. But again, this is specifically for the Elantra N, Avante N, i30N. You're also going to have to register on the first activation. It'll give you like a 1-year warranty type thing. So from here, you'll see the starting light effects. You just program each button by just pretty much selecting it. But let's go over to lighting effects real quick.
Our personal preference. And finally, effect 5.
Okay, now that you saw the lighting effects, let's go over what the other options are you can do. You can adjust the daytime brightness. The lights itself, they're on pretty much the entire time, but you can adjust the brightness during the daytime, and then if you're, of course, our car has a light sensor in it, so you can also change the light sensor at the night. When you select the button, you can select what kind of options you have there. If you scroll down, there's like a whole bunch of options that pretty much anything your stock steering wheel can do, you can select it and program it to any of the buttons, as you can see here. There's quite a few options, and you can have multiple options for same buttons to do different things. And then you can select the color phase you want to do, the lighting. So when you start out for during the day or while you're driving, you have this, whatever color you set, that's the color it will be. And of course, again, you can go select whatever buttons, the knobs. For this is where, well, personally, I mean, it makes sense to have your volume there in your menu selection for the turn knobs. So as you turn them, you can, press mute on one side and then select OK for options. So that's pretty cool. And then knobs on the actual front of the hubs, you can set like up and down, left, right. Your missing A/B start, and you can probably program that in too. And also those front knobs, you can twist left and right, pause, but go ahead and set those to whatever you want. Again, you have so many different options here. It's ridiculous. You can even change the gears to, for the paddle shifters, you can actually make it turn the volume up and down if you wanted to, really. There's so many options with this Zestek hub. It's ridiculous. You can do whatever you really want, programming-wise, with this hub. As you see, these are some of the options I just selected, just playing around. For the N buttons, I used the little flip switches. So, how you have the default programming, and then you have your custom mapping, and you just set it up that way also. And then you can adjust lighting again for pretty much anything here. Just make sure you save everything, just like anything you do at work. You gotta save your work.